Hey food lovers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making the easiest mashed banana pancake you never see. Only 3 ingredients, no sugar, no flour, just pure banana magic. So let's match it up and make breakfast fun again. Peel and place ripe banana in a bowl. Use a fork to mash them until smooth and creamy. If you love this recipe, give this video a thumbs up and drop a comment and hit that subscribe button for more sweet and easy viral recipe every week. Add 2 eggs to the mashed banana, whisk together until fully combined and smooth. Stir in baking powder and vanilla for extra rise and flavor. Place a non-sticky pan on medium heat and lightly grease with butter or oil. Pour small round on the batter, about 2 to 3 tablespoons each. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes on one side until bubble form, then flip and cook for another minute. Repeat this process until you're done making your pancake. And there you have it, fluffy sweet smashed banana pancake ready in a minute. If you love this recipe, give this video a thumbs up and comment and hit that subscribe button for more sweet and easy viral recipe every week. See you in the next video. Stay creamy and dreamy. Thank you.